get personal. I ain't lying, I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning.
Hey friends, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. So is it hot out there for y'all? Because y'all, it has been hot. What y'all doing to stay cool in these hot summer days? And we just getting started. I just been trying to stay cool. So y'all let me know in the comments what y'all doing to stay cool on these hot summer days. But yeah, y'all, I want to thank y'all for subscribing to the channel, liking the videos, and commenting on the videos. I appreciate y'all so much. So today's video is going to be a summer bathroom refresh. It's just a small, minimalistic bathroom. Not a whole lot, because I'm on my minimalistic vibe right now. In this video, I pretty much used a lot of the things that I already have. I shopped my house for stuff that I already had. So if you want to see how everything turns out, keep watching. All right, y'all, let's get into the video.
I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull a drop top out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house, Netflix and chillin', I GDM'in', yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed, I've been out of range, keeping it low, but I wanna be bold with it. Love unfold tonight, they'll be calling us gold. No lies, so fair with it. You can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared. Oh, yeah. Instead of love out loud, since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, baby, meet me. Timing's right, so right. Our romance to be can't deny. I love the things we do when it's just us two, but tonight. I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. I'm a good catch, but I never let him catch me. No, I never let him claim me. Wild thing try to tame me, but you got my mood on sunshine. Let's take a trip, souls on big smile. Let's hit this lake, stars are in line. I'm posted, lay with me in the moonlight. I wanna be bold with it. Tonight they'll be calling us gold. No lies, so bear with it. Yeah, we can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared. Oh, instead of love out loud, since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, baby, meet me. Timing's right, so right. Our romance to be can't deny. I love the things we do. for granted, babe. I know that life can be busy, love, but you make time for the ones you love. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Did your mind go on vacation, leaving your affection for me at home? Tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Where's your heart and your attention? Where's the kind of love that I used to know? Baby, so can you take me on a date? The simple things you do to make me stay. Now it's like you don't even try. I used to wonder why, but now I'm left with no more tears to cry. I know that life can be busy, love, but you make time for the ones you love. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Did your mind go on vacation, leaving your affection for me at home? Tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Where's your heart and your attention? Where's the kind of love that I used to know? If you want me the way I want you, put your all into all that you do. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Did your mind go on vacation, leaving your affection for me at home? Tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Where's your heart and your attention? Where's the kind of love that I used to know? Do 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 do, yeah. Do 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 do. One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing.
Are y'all ready to see what the bathroom looks like?
Daydream with me, let your mind explore all the things we were created for. Possibilities, an open door that keeps us reaching out for more. Sure that I'm not sure, I know when I don't know it, so I listen for my inner voice. Carry the winds, drown out the rain, but will it make sense without the pain? Won't color me blue, then tickle me pink. Who knew that at the brain